The Oppo Reno 10X Zoom has a 6.65-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 93.1% screen-to-body ratio. The display is protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass 6. It also has 3 cameras at the back. It has a 48-megapixel ultra-clear main camera with an f1.7 aperture, a 13-megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. The Oppo Reno 10X Zoom combines 3 lenses for a full focal length of 16 to 160 mm in tandem. This helps you achieve 10x hybrid zoom from the triple rear camera setup. The tri-camera setup is complemented by dual OIS for stability when fully zoomed. It also has an Ultra Night Mode 2.0 for low light photography. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a rising 16-megapixel selfie camera with features like AI Beauty mode. For security, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock from the front-facing camera. The Oppo Reno 10X Zoom runs on ColorOS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. The smartphone has 8GB RAM and comes with 256GB built-in storage, expandable up to an additional 256GB via a microSD card. The smartphone is available in jet black and ocean green color options. The Oppo Reno 10X Zoom is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The smartphone is powered by a 4065 mAh lithium polymer battery that supports VOOC Flash Charge 3.0 fast charging. The box includes the handset, power adapter, Type-C cable, earphones, SIM tray ejector, case and quick starter guide. The Oppo Reno 10X Zoom comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.